Alright, so here is a Galaxy 3714 box fan from the early 1970s. I got this fan a little while back, and I like it. I think it's a pretty cool addition to my Galaxy fans anyways. Now, being a 3714, it's a 2-speed fan, so it only has high, low, and off. And the paint has seen kind of seen better days, but it's actually in decent shape for what you usually find in these fans. Take a look at the side here. There's that side. Take a look at the other side. And around here to the back. Take a look at the back of this. There you have it. Now this motor here with a sealed rear bearing there is an RMR motor, actually. And I think Galaxy Lasco brand sort of used both Marco and RMR for a while there during the early to mid 70s. This one I'm pretty sure is an RMR. Oh, I'm positive it is because the sticker in there says so, but probably can't see it. Anyways, so that's the back of the fan. Turn back around here to the front. And yeah, honestly, it's a pretty good fan, I think. Pretty good breeze on it, but it's only 2 speeds. I'll go ahead and run this and show you. Here's high speed. Pretty nice breeze. Go back to high. And off. There's the spin down. Which is pretty nice on this fan. Now this Galaxy is actually from 1972 according to the bottom, and this being, of course, the second edition or second generation plastic blade Galaxy. There's an older model, which I'll have another video of that probably up. You can see that predated this one, but I think these came around about 71 or 72. And I think that's about all I have to say for this fan. Hope you enjoyed the video again, and Thanks for watching.